Hello friends and welcome to the channel. Here's a quick tip for you guys that trying to desmog your old Chevy vehicles that have the octopus looking shit going out from the headers. See, I cut this off. So one thing, you can weld a nut, but that's a lot of welding wire considering to be that you have 8 plugs. So second thing, what you could do, you can go to your Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever is closest to you, go to a plumbing section and get this bit, boys. They're just little plugs, and just find one that's closest to the size and pretty much cross thread it in. And if you feel like it's not sitting in well, if it's not sitting well on yours, like if you have some weird ass size in there or something, you run a bit of weld around it. I'm sure it'll be fine. Alright guys, if this was helpful, please hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Lots of videos coming up weekly. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.